What if I told you a water bottle can make a huge difference with a good brand story and a bad brand story? In 2010, during a hike, Sarah noticed a staggering amount of plastic waste has been scattered around the landscape. So she determined to make a difference. She envisioned a world where single-use plastic were a thing of the past. Sarah created the first prototype of a pure flow water bottle. She made with recycled materials and designed to be durable, stylish, and lightweight. So it was her answer for the plastic problem. And she also added the statement, for every bottle being sold, we will remove 1 kg of plastic waste from the ocean and plant a tree in a deforested area. Our mission is to inspire and to empower people to live more sustainably. We sell water bottles. They are eco-friendly and made of recycled materials. They come in different colors. They are good for the environment and better than other plastic bottles. You can clearly understand the difference between good brand story and a bad brand story. This is man's exclusive. In the end of the video, you will know how to create your own brand story. Let's jump right in. Alright, first thing first, what is a brand story? It's the narrative that communicates your brand values, missions, and purpose. It's just not what do you sell, but why do you sell it and how it impacts for your customer. Simple. You have to make people to connect with you deeper. A great brand story is authentic, relatable, and engaging. You have to resonate with your audience emotion and drive them crazy to take action. So, how do you create one? Know your why. Simon Sinek said it best. People don't buy what do you do, they buy why do you do it. Start identifying your core missions and values. Ask yourself what's your passion, what's the problem you're solving. Take a piece of paper and start answering these questions. Define your audience. Who are you talking to? Know who we are talking to. So crucial. It shapes the way we communicate and ensures that the message resonates. When you understand your audience, it would be easier for you to tailor your brand voice to meet their needs, interests, and their level of knowledge. It's like speaking their language, and which will make your message more engaged and compelling. This not only helps to getting your message across, it will build a strong relationship between them. Know their demographics and behavior pattern. The more you know about them, the more interesting and effective your brand story will be. Craft a hero's journey. People love when they can see themselves as a hero. Your brand should itself position as the guide which will help them on overcoming the challenges and achieving more goals. Think about how your product or service will transform your customer lives. Highlight the journey from struggle to success as making your brand as the catalyst. Be authentic. Authenticity builds trust. Today's world, people are craving for genuine connection and real stories. When it comes to a good brand story, being authentic will truly set you apart. This trust people have on your brand turns into a loyalty. This will create a long-term relationship with your audience. Your authenticity is a unique selling point. No one else has your story, your perspective, and your experience. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine through everything you do. You don't need to be perfect to be authentic. It's all about being real and true to yourself and letting your values guide your brand's journey. Remember, authenticity shapes your brand's future. Keep it simple and clear. Your brand story should be easy to understand and to remember. Stick to the key points that highlights your mission, values, and the impact you need to make in the society. Clarity is king. A confused mind says no. Make sure your audience get your messages quickly and clearly. Use visuals and emotion. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Make sure you use the right visuals to evoke the emotions. Whether it can be photos, videos, or graphics, it can be anything. Make sure it aligns with your brand narrative. Show, don't just tell. Let the audience see and feel the transformation you promise. Test and refine. Your brand story isn't set in a stone. Test it with your audience, gather feedback, and refine it over time. Stay flexible and adapt as you grow. Continuous improvement is the key. Keep tweaking your brand story to make it relevant and compelling. And that's all. Let's see what are the key points that you need to implement. Follow these steps and create your own brand story more compelling and relevant to your audience. To get more updates, subscribe to Man's Exclusive. Thank you.